Oh, what a beautiful day in the Cozy Cone Motel. One of those, like, I don't know, I wonder if Lightning has anything planned for the night or something. Who knows? Anyways. Yeah. I just have no absolute clue. But sometimes I gotta wait for customers. So, Sally, how are you doing? I was just checking on you. Cause honestly, I have no clue why. But yeah. Because I'm just waiting for more customers at the Cozy Cone Motel. Cause yeah. Soch just got done with his training like a few days ago, and Mato had to go to training. I'm surprised he did not get mad or anything. Training and Mato was in it? Why did Mato go to training? Isn't he like an adult? Doesn't he? I don't think he needs training. Yeah, but it's just, I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, training got done with that. And they went about, I think it was like 5 hours for 50 miles. That long? Wow. I'm surprised they even did it or something. I don't know. Same. It's like, yeah, I just don't know why. Anyways, I was saying, do you want to like have like a night out or something? I was just wondering if you wanted to have a night out. But I haven't had that in a long time. Well, I do have customers, but I don't know. It would be night, so technically you don't. Wait, do customers come here at night? I don't think they do they? Some people come at night, but not that much. So yeah. Well, why can't we just get like a substitute or something? Because, yeah, would, but there's no real like substitute because I'm literally the only one who works here. So yeah. Well then why can't you just like close it down? Why can't you have customers, you don't want to close it down. There's just nobody that could substitute. So unfortunately I cannot do it unless you have a person. Yeah, I don't have a hold on a minute. I think I might have somebody who could fill in for you. Wait, who? Who would that be? Because there's literally no one that could do it like that or something. I don't know. You want me to substitute for your shop? Because, like, I literally just got done with the training with Soj like a few days ago. I don't think you have a job, do you? I don't think you do. Yeah, I don't think you have a job. What, do you? Oh, so I guess I could be your substitute? I don't know. I literally do not know. I literally do not care. I just got done with Soldier's training. Had to go 50 miles for 5 hours. So sure, I literally do not care. So yeah. That worked out perfectly. Now, we'll have it tonight. So, yeah. I hear that we're doing it tonight, so I need you to substitute for my shop, okay? Don't care. Okay, then we'll do the night out tonight. Yeah. Prepared, because this is gonna be a great night out with you and me and nobody else. So yeah, be there. Just I don't know on this point. I don't know. Hold on, let me get this straight. You and Miss Sally are having a night out? That is gonna be good, boy. Yeah. Wonder what's going on. Yeah, we're having a night with Sally. That is good. Wait, a night out? Oh, I gotta ruin this. You'll regret the day that I messed with the Chick Hicks. Oh, bye. That chick like Chick Hicks? I think so. I literally do not know. But yeah. Yeah, anyways, have fun. Hopefully you have fun. But I bet you will. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna work. So, yeah. I just gotta go, get prepared for this night out. So, yeah, so let's go. Hours later. Sicko's ready to go on our, night out, or, yeah, that. Let's go now. Good luck with the shop, posting, I don't know if. For 5 years, what do you make? Coming, let's go. Now I just wait for customers, so yeah. Here we go, I think this is the place, yeah. Anyways, let's just wait for our waiter. Yeah. Yeah, let's just wait for our, waiter for now. But, yeah. Howdy there, my name's Mato. Get it? Mato the waiter. I'm so funny. Mato, you're a waiter now? Yeah, I've never seen him in a waiter before. Huh. Weirdly strange. But, yeah. Anyways, what would you like to drink? We have... Honestly, I don't know what we have. I just woke you for no reason. Take a Coke. Yes, I am Coke. Coke is fine with me. But, yeah, just Coke, Mato. Then that's coming up. Now, yeah, I literally just woke you for no reason, so let me go get your drinks. I don't know, Mato woke you, yeah. Me neither. But, yeah, this is a perfect night out. Yes, it is. Yep. Time to ruin their night out, and I think I got the perfect idea. Just, yeah. He's not a psycho chick. I don't know. He shouldn't be because he's running the night out. Yeah, let's just... No, don't do nothing. Yeah, just wait for drinks. Drinks? I think I got another idea. That is perfect. Here's your drinks for you, Miss Sally. And also for Latinins. But yeah. Excuse me? Do you work here? Because I just got a report that somebody did something bad. That's why, manager. I'm just giving them their drinks. What do you think? What does it look like? Okay, I just want to say that you're fired! Take the spotlight, yeah! Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Chick Hicks. Why is he here? I don't know. I didn't tell him to come here. Yeah. Howdy there, Chick. I see that you're trying to ruin Land McQueen and Miss Sally's night. What? I'm not ruining anybody's night, Brownie. That was just rude. You gonna pay soon enough. Oh, what? That's it, Chick. I'm telling everybody. I'm telling my manager that you were being rude, and also, yeah. Yeah, but I don't care anyways. This guy just never wants. What do you think? Honestly, fair point. I just came here to ruin your night. Because you're having this night out. Chick, what? Yes, Bucket. The manager has said you're banned. I'm banned? No! One KFC. This is not a KFC place. There's some good food anyways. I think it's time to go. Yeah, let's just go. Yeah. Back. Yeah, we're back. Okay, then I can leave. Finally. Yes. Woohoo. By the way, like and subscribe and show to all your friends. Another day, do you have a night out? Yes, it's me, Eli McQueen, and I just want to say that there will be this new post coming up, gonna be called Worldwide Spy, which will introduce a new spy character or agent, and yeah, so I just want to say that, so look out for that. It will be coming in either March or May sometime then, but yeah, that's all the announcements I got. But now, for the rest of the time, you need it. Oh, and by the way, if we reach 50 subscribers, I'll be making a 50 subscriber special. But anyways, now, let's go! Woohoo!